In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text in Procreate. Tony here, we talk art and design tech. Consider subscribing. Step 1, import a photo from your gallery. Step 2, select the wrench icon on the top left and under Add menu, select Add Text. Double tap the text with your fingers to open a small version of the text editing menu. Type your text. Press the box above the keyboard and clear button to select the font of your choice. Press the Done button to confirm your selection. Pan out to move your text into position. Double tap your text to edit the size and spacing of your text. You can select the circles beside your text to extend the typing space. Otherwise, if you add more letters, they will be cut off. The kerning slider allows you to increase the space between the letters. The baseline changes the placement of your text, and the opacity can increase or decrease the visibility of your text. On the far right, you can underline your text. You can left align, center align, and right align your text here. You can also hollow out your text. Refill in your text with the same button. Double tap your text and see further options to edit. The clear button removes your text completely. You can use your 2 fingers to undo this and make your text reappear. The cut button is used to remove or copy your text. The copy button, I think you already know what this one does. There's also a button to paste, and if you press this button multiple times, it will duplicate your text along the same line. You can use your 2 fingers to pinch the screen to zoom in and out to put your text into position. There is a Select All button that will select all of your text. You can make the text vertical by selecting the last button on the right. Double tap to re-enter the full text menu, and remember to have fun with it. I really like how this is looking. This could be a cool intro or transition. Positioning the text from vertical to horizontally, you can see the full text. You may not land the perfect image or positioning of your text. Your placement may be a little bit off on the first try. Using these tools and different sliders, you can make adjustments as needed and really bring everything together in your image. Now that you know how to add text in Procreate, what other things would you like to learn? Put it down below in the comments.